You've probably heard of Goodbudget, right? That app that promises to turn you into a budgeting wizard. It's simple, it's effective, and it's got a loyal following. But how does it actually make money? I mean, it's a budgeting app, not a cash cow. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind Goodbudget's income stream. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the app itself. Goodbudget is essentially a digital version of the classic envelope system. You allocate your income to different virtual envelopes, each representing a spending category. It's a straightforward concept that has resonated with countless users. But how does this simplicity translate into profit for the company? One obvious revenue stream is the premium version. The free version of Goodbudget offers a taste of the app's features, but to unlock the full potential, you need to subscribe. This premium subscription usually comes with added benefits like syncing across multiple devices, advanced budgeting tools, and possibly even financial education resources. It's a classic freemium model that many apps utilize. But is that the only way Goodbudget makes money? Well, not exactly. Another potential income source is partnerships. Imagine Goodbudget teaming up with financial institutions or other relevant businesses. They could offer exclusive deals or promotions to Goodbudget users. For instance, a partnership with a credit card company could provide users with cashback rewards or bonus points. This not only adds value for the users, but also generates revenue for Goodbudget. Data is another valuable asset. Goodbudget collects user data on spending habits, income levels, and financial goals. This information is anonymized and aggregated, of course, but it's incredibly valuable for market research and product development. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for insights into consumer behavior, and Goodbudget could be sitting on a goldmine of data. However, it's important to note that Goodbudget has been vocal about prioritizing user privacy. They've stated that they won't sell user data and that any data usage will be transparent and beneficial to the users. So, while data monetization is a possibility, it's likely to be a secondary revenue stream for the app. Now, you might be wondering about advertising. After all, many apps generate significant income through ads. But Goodbudget seems to have taken a different approach. The app's clean interface and focus on simplicity don't exactly scream ad space. It's possible that they've decided to prioritize user experience over ad revenue. So there you have it. The primary revenue streams for Goodbudget seem to be the premium subscription model and potential partnerships. Data monetization could be a possibility but is likely a smaller part of the picture. The company's focus on user privacy and the app's overall design suggest that advertising isn't a major component of their business model. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.